song called Jacobite by Name. Jacobite's by Name. It's written by Robert Burns, who was a great champion of the Scottish cause. But at the same time, this song is actually, a lot of people think it's a rebel song, but it's not actually a rebel song. It's actually about peace. You listen to the words very carefully. Are ye Jacobites by name? Lend an ear, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear. Are ye Jacobites by name? Your thoughts I will proclaim, your doctrines I will play. You will hear, you will hear. Your doctrines I will play, you will hear too. Is it right or is it wrong? By the law, by the law. Is it right or is it wrong? By the law. Is it right or wrong? I shout sword along. By we got marked by stone, for the draw, for the draw. By we got marked by stone, for the draw. What makes heroic strife? Frame the fire, frame the fire. What makes heroic strife? Frame the fire. What makes heroic strife? To whet the assassin's knife and hunt the parent's life. Bloody war, bloody war. Hunt the parent's life, the bloody war. Are ye Jacobites by name? Lend an ear, lend an ear. Ye Jacobites by name, lend an ear.